You gotta make it stop. I can't take it anymore.
I've eaten things that didn't complain this much.
He won't stop squirming.
Watch his head!
Just put it.
Sheesh, pick him up, put him down, make up your mind. No.
Its nose is dry.
That means something's wrong with him.
Someone should lick it. Just in case.
I'll do it.
Hey, he's wearing one of those baby things.
Though,
So if he poops, where does it go?
humans are disgusting.
Okay, you. Go check for poop.
Why am I the poop checker?
Because returning the runt was your idea. Because you're small and insignificant. And because I'll pummel you if you don't.
Why else?
Now, Sid!
Ew, yuck, ew. I mean, my goodness. Okay, look out,
Watch
coming
out!
through.
Stop waving that thing around.
Ooh, I'm gonna slip. Whoa.
Yeah!
It's clean. Gotcha.
Would you cut it out?
Hey, do that again. He likes it.
It's making me feel better too.
Here, you hold it.
Where's the baby? There he is. Where's the baby? There he is.
Stop it, you're scaring him.
I bet he's hungry.
How about some milk?
Ooh, I love some.
Not you. The baby.
Well, I ain't exactly lactating right now, pal.
You're a little low on the food chain to be mouthing off, aren't you?
Enough!